How to make an earthquake system in Roblox Studio. In replicated storage, add a remote event named earthquake event.
Add a script to server script service. Writing the script.
This script creates a repeating earthquake effect. Get services. Setting the earthquake variables. Set the duration of the earthquake and the safe period. Set the intensity of the shaking. Set the smoothness of the start and end. This function prevents the earthquake from moving player body parts. When the earthquake starts, it notes the time, calculates when it should end, and sends a signal to all clients to shake their cameras. This part gradually increases the shaking at the start and decreases it near the end. This makes all unanchored objects in the world randomly move slightly in all directions, making it look like everything is shaking from the earthquake. This makes the earthquake happen again and again, waiting a few seconds between each one.
Add local script to starter player scripts. Writing the script.
This script makes the player's camera shake realistically whenever the earthquake event is triggered. Get services. Listening for the earthquake event. Preparing the camera and variables. You can adjust the frequency for the speed of vibration. This loop keeps running until the earthquake time ends. It keeps track of how much time has passed since the shaking began. This makes the shake gradually get stronger at the start and weaker at the end. It prevents the camera from suddenly jumping. These lines use math.sin and math.cause to generate smooth, wave-like shaking motion. Each axis moves slightly differently, creating a more realistic and natural earthquake feel. This applies the shaking movement and a small tilt rotation to the camera every frame.
Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.